So, connectors. One second, guys. Connectors. Connectors are the people in a community who know large numbers of people and who are in the habit of making introductions. A connector is essentially the social equivalent of a computer network hub. For example, connectors. Usually the people that talk a lot and just like spreading information, always got something to say. Usually something they have to say is gonna, like, I don't know, maybe give you interest. Connectors. I guess I can consider myself a connector because, talk to a lot of different people. Um, connectors usually friendly people and just, like to have a good time. Connectors.